Well, hello there and greetings to you. It is Matthew McDonald here and a super massive welcome to you to this video where we're going to take a look at selling online through video and how you can take that video sales to the next level. Also, I'm going to be showcasing a brand new WordPress plugin tool called the Video Payflow, which allows you to set up complete checkout processes on your website and do the entire system from actually the offer itself to the thank you video and product delivery without ever leaving the video. So instead of having to create sales pages, you've got your offer page, you've got your thank you page, you've got your download links, you can do all of that inside a single video, and then you can just embed that video called a video payflow anywhere on your website. You can embed it inside content, you can set up a new page for it, but this is going to make things super easy to you as an online seller. Also for your customers, it is absolutely crazy awesome. They can complete the full checkout process without ever leaving your video. So anybody using video to sell online, this is going to be an absolute game changer. It's easy to implement, only takes about a minute to set up, and you can start selling right away. So what I will do in this video, instead of trying to pitch you this exciting new offer, I'm just going to show you the product in action. We'll jump straight into WordPress admin. I'll show you how the tool works, and if you like it, I'm going to give you an absolute killer, no-brainer, early bird, pennies on the dollar, and you can pick it up right now and start using it right away. So with that information, let's go into my WordPress admin. I've got a plugin installed here called Video Payflow, and this is going to enable me to take my video sales to the next level. Now, the cool thing about this also is it works both for digital products and it works for tangible products. And the best way to show you this is I'm actually going to create a brand new video payflow right in front of you, and then you can link that to how you're selling online and look at how would this relate to your current sales process. How is it going to make it so much easier for you? Now here inside of Payflow, I'm just going to expand this, which is a nice little feature. We've got our payflows, we've got customers, we've got sales, and we've got setting. Now this is a brand new installation, so I'm going to show you exactly what's the process you would be going through when you set up your video payflows. All you need to do is go to the settings and enter in your PayPal email. I've also got a sandbox tool here active, so if you want to test out your checkout processes, you can do this. Now the system has an inbuilt PayPal Payflow system which is all ready to go, but if you're a more advanced user and you're using a checkout cart of your own, you can also integrate that automatically with the Video Payflow. Let's go and click Create Payflow, and we're going to give it a name. I'm just going to call this my first video payflow. And when you create this, you can start generating your sales straight away. This is for my information. We go to the video option here, and we're just going to enter 2 videos. So we've got our offer video, and that could be a direct video file, or it could be a YouTube or Vimeo video ID. We can add an optional image to go with that. So to make this super clear for you, I'm just going to put an image there that shows this is my offer video. And then we put our thank you video. Now, if you compare this to setting up a sales website, then you will know just how amazing and quick this can be. Now, let's go ahead and click continue. I'm going to show you the thank you smart bar, which allows us to set up downloads, support, login, and other options on delivery. All of this can be fully automated. We'll come back to that in a second. I'm going to click continue. We put in our product details. So I will call this Video Sales Masterclass. I'm going to put in the amount here. This is going to be US dollars, but no matter where you are in the world, you can select your own local currency. I'm going to click continue. We've got ready to go buttons that are fully customizable. It's got a button builder as well. I'm just going to go ahead and select this option here. And here we go. We are inside our video Payflow. Now all I need to do to add this to my website is under the publish option here. I'm going to copy the shortcode. You do have JavaScript snippet as well, and you have a HTML embed option, which can be super handy. I've got an empty page here. You can see it loading up. There's nothing on it. I'm going to go into my WordPress editor here. I'm going to add the shortcode block and paste in my shortcode. Choose update. Let's go back to the front end. I'm going to refresh the page, and there's my video Payflow. Now let's spice this up a little bit. When you're actually doing offers on videos, in many cases you want a time when that payment button shows up, and this way you can really build the value first before you ask for the offer. So how easy is it to do that in the video Payflow? Now we're going to try this out in a moment. I'm actually going to click it and show you how the checkout process works, but let's add timing to it first. Back inside my video Payflow, I'm going to go to the button tab, and from here I can set exactly when I want this button to show. Now because I'm recording this for you, I'm just going to put it at 3 seconds so we don't have to wait for it to show up. With the show time at 3 seconds, the video will play to 3 seconds and then the button is going to show, and you would sync that button when you're actually asking for the order. That's your call to action. And also we can choose placement options if we want to choose where we want this button to appear. You have all different options here. You also have some key features. You can add headlines and other things to build your button, which is super cool. Let's jump to the video here, and we've got another super awesome video sales strategy built in to this tool, and that's the preview play VSL mode. When we activate this, the video is going to play automatically muted with the play button visible, and once they click to play it, it's going to jump back to the start and start the video sales letter from the beginning. So we're going to activate that. While we're here, let's activate the thank you smart bar as well. We got a preview of it here, and we can add our delivery information right here. So if it's a download, you can put your zip file right here. If it is you have a login members area for delivery, you just put your login link here to the members area. Also, you can add your support details here. If you are using a different language or you want to change the text, you've also got custom text option to fully customize the look and feel of this option. Also, we can brand this color to go with our website. So let's do that and make a nice branded video player and branded thank you delivery. And we are fully set up with a complete video sales process that we can embed anywhere on our website. Now, saving changes, we've got our offer video, we've got our thank you video. Let's go back to the front end. I'm going to refresh the page, and you can see there's no buy now button showing up. I'm going to go ahead and play the video. And at 3 seconds into the video, the payment button appears. Let's go ahead and click that. And we can see the inbuilt PayPal checkout Payflow opens up. I'm just going to pretend to be the customer here and go through the checkout process. Complete the checkout. And I'm automatically brought back to my video, and the thank you video plays automatically. And at the top here, we've got our thank you bar. So we've got full product delivery information here. Any links, even the contact link you can put here. It's all available here. And this is all done inside this one video Payflow system. If they were to refresh the page, the Payflow knows they've already gone through the checkout process, and it's going to automatically deliver them the thank you with the delivery information there. So right now, as part of this special brand new invitation, early bird, no-brainer, killer offer, I'm going to make this available for you for pennies on the dollar. Now, if you're using video already in your sales, you're going to love this. It's going to be a game changer from the get-go. And if video sales is something you've wanted to get into, well, this takes care of all the technical side of it. And like I've shown you in this video, once you create a video Payflow, you can embed that video anywhere on your website. You can even have it on multiple different pages, the same video Payflow, and you don't have to waste time creating long sales web pages and thank you pages. And so it's going to be a massive time saver for you and get you in front of your customers super easily. So right now I'm going to put a limited time early bird for my customers and people that have been invited to partake in this offer. I will put the details below this video. If you want to grab it now. You're going to get the absolute best price. You can click the buy now button. You'll go through the checkout process, and I'm going to see you on the other side in the next video. We'll get you logged into the members area, get your access set up immediately. I've got another video there to get you started with a quick start guide, and also if you have any trouble, we've got full support and we'll help you get this up and running. So this is Matthew McDonald here. I hope you partake in today's special early bird, and this way down the track, when I actually put the price on full, you're not going to feel like you have to pay extra. You're going to get the best price today, and I will put the details below this video right now. I will see you in the next video on the other side in just a moment.